What's up guys, welcome back to another video. As usual, I'm starting the vlog at my house in my garage today, and we have a few things to do today. Roland actually called me yesterday and sent me a few videos of the Chev. He's going to put it on the dyno today.
Know what time it is? It's Chev SS time. Yeah man, so you know I expect you to come in tomorrow so we can clean it up already. The new side club just want dust out. Yeah, and probably wipe out inside and thing already. Yeah, so they're on the final leg right now. Final leg. Alright, so want to service it tomorrow and gap all of the plug them and put in some fresh gas and just check everything overall, check the diff, check everything, put it on a roller, collect some fuel data and fuel it up. It run extremely lean right now, so we need to fuel it up. So let's do this tomorrow.
He's finally finished with the construction at his garage, so now he can get back to business as usual. He's gonna put the car on the dyno today. Unfortunately, I won't be able to go there today. We already made some plans like earlier on in the week with the family, so I'm not going to be able to go there today. But Roland promised me that he's going to vlog it, he's going to video the process, so I can have the videos to post on the channel. So good luck to him. Hopefully it goes well. And we have a lot of plans for that car, but I just need the car to be driving like it just left the factory. Yeah, something like that. And then we can start the modification process, like, you know, the other modification process. But yeah guys, I have a few more things. Well, the smart car is here. I was thinking about selling it, but then I was like, I don't need to sell this car. Why do I need to put this car up for sale? Maybe I should, but I'm thinking to myself, I'll finish this car, I'll put a roll cage in it, and maybe I'll bring it to Mobe, give it to one of those, you know, kids to drift with it, you know what I mean? Maybe I can do something like that, you know, just build a car, then when like drift events coming up, I can have, you know, one of those drifter guys do it, because I don't think I have the time to practice drifting as much as they do, and it's something that they do. I don't remember the name of the kids, the little boys, you know you have the 9-year-old, 10-year-old and 11, those kids, you know, I can have them, you know, maybe, you know, do some drifting with that car, you know what I mean? So I think that's really a good idea. And this car, got this car back in 2010, I believe. It's a 2008 Smart 4.2, and it came with the 1-liter engine, 4-cylinder engine, and it's 4-cylinder or 3-cylinder, I don't remember, you know. But yeah, it came with that engine, you know what I mean, and it was pretty decent for what it was, you know what I mean. But I put a sound system in it, and unfortunately it wasn't wired properly, caused a fire in the car, ECU burn up. So that was that. We ripped the engine out after a few years, and we put this screw. Oh, I put the cover in it as well. So under here guys, there's Honda engine. It's actually a D14, and it's very rare to hear a D14, because we're very familiar with the D15 and the D16, you know. We're not familiar with the D14. I think the D14 went to Europe. Correct me if I'm wrong guys, but yeah, I think I'm gonna finish up that car. Maybe, actually, you know, Roland said he want to do it as well. He want to do that car. He really wants to finish that car. So we're gonna do that with that car. We're gonna pick up the Black Series this morning in this video. This morning, you know, unfortunately the rain was falling a lot the other day, so we couldn't get to finish it. And the Swift guys, I'm going to put the Swift up for sale. Anybody who wants to finish that project, you can finish it. My 2008 Swift that I was putting the Evolution engine in, When we get to Bobby, I'll show you that car. We're gonna go by Bobby this morning and I will show you that car, show you what I did to it already. Thanks to all you guys for, you know, sharing your comment and your feedback and your knowledge. I'm definitely going to look into the Black Series brakes. I'm going to check maybe change the brake fluid first, then I will. I mean, the car still stopped like a dream, no issues. But I just wanted to know if there was a risk of anything. I mean, like maybe the brake falling apart or whatever it is. But I will still order some brakes. Brakes are not cheap for that car. So yeah, let's move on to Bobby first, and then we'll go by Prento. We are at Bobby shop, and as I promised you, the Swift is here, guys. I wonder if it's open. It look like it's open. Even the jack them still at work. Dusty, all of the body panels inside. Yeah, dusty man, but watch out. See that? 3 pedals. Yeah man, so the work that I did, I tell you guys, 4 brand new, well they're not brand new anymore, but bought 4 brand new tires and brand new wheels. These never drive on the road, never drive on the road before. Herbie there. No, as me tell you, this is why I came to Bobby to paint these and to reinforce around here, because we put the Evo 10 shocks on it. Oh, Evo 10 suspension, coilovers. So yeah, why Panda get busy something. Bobby's supposed to put a reinforced plate on the shock tower and paint the engine bay and paint the bonnet. But Bobby don't really have a painter anymore, so he said he's going to finish reinforcing that, and then I'll probably take it to somebody to get it painted in everything in one color, and then after that, whoever else wants to take on the job, I don't even know if I said, because to continue with the build, it will need like proper axles and spingle of a change, all them stuff have to be like bigger brakes and all that. Maybe the Swift Sport brakes can work on it. Then you probably, you know, weld the axles to to match the gearbox. So it was the Evo 10 engine with the Gallant, with the Mitsubishi Gallant gearbox. I think we married those, and then yeah, I think that's how we would get it to work. But like I say, if somebody want to take on this, you know, I'm willing to sell it to any one of you guys, and you can finish the project. But it's very straight. The car has never been damaged before. Car never met in an accident, never been damaged. Very straight. You can see. Car very straight. Still of the factory, just like when I left the factory, you see how you're so faded and all that stuff. Never been touched. It's around here we kind of trying to reinforce around here. Change up this to take a different radiator and all that stuff. Because I know with the Evo engine, like, you have to move everything forward. So yeah man, this is the Swift and it's here ready to go. Bobby hiding around the front there, you know, Bobby. Because Bobby know me, I go pressure him to finish it. So Bobby around the front hiding. Let's go pressure him. As usual, Bobby always full of things around here, project work doing, so I can understand, you know what I mean? Bobby, well, so I know. What go on. So take up a Swift? Yeah. And jump off before we go. But on a different level, I got time to sell still, so somebody can probably finish the project. Yeah. But I mean, the shock tower still would have, would have to start with that part, and you know what I mean. But
actually with it, modify conversion engine, everything.
Yeah. Yeah, man. So that. We'll check up on the Black Series. It's supposed to be done, you know. So guys, here's the deal, right? So this is all my fault. Parental is finished with the car, but I made family plans. I made family plans like maybe like 3 days ago. So I couldn't go back on my family plans. And Parental told me to come and get the car this morning, but this morning he had a setback, so he couldn't get to finish the car this morning. So by the time he was done with the car, everyone was ready to hit the road. We were all ready to go. So I couldn't go and get the car. So when I go to pick up the car in the next video, I will have my friend Herbert. I haven't said anything to him yet, so he's gonna watch this video and he's gonna see it. And in this video, Herbert and maybe Darren, or maybe we should link Darren as well, to get all the cameras together, and we're gonna do some proper video with the car, some proper rolling shots. Sorry I couldn't get to show the car in this video, but in the next video 100% the car is done. Parental, so the car is done. He's just gonna park the car in front and just leave it until I pick up the car. So yeah, thanks for watching, and we will see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned and just continue to support the channel. Like the video, just hit the like button, guys. It's free, it's free. You don't have to pay for it. Just hit the like button. Big up, and we'll see you guys in the next video.